As a law enforcement officer, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind to safeguard life and property, protect the innocents against deception, weak against oppression, or intimidation in the peaceful against violence, or disordered to respect to the constitutional rights of all men, liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn or ridicule. Develop self-restraint and be constantly mindful to the welfare of others. Honest in doubt and indeed my both personal and my official life. Will I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the land and regulations of my organization. Whatever I see or hear, whatever I see or hear of a confidential in nature or is confided to me, my official capacity will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in in the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudices, animosities, or friendship to influence my decisions. With no compromise of crime and with relentless persecution of criminals. I will never in, I will never enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor, malice, ill will, never employing unnecessary force or violence, and accepting gratuities in return. I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith, and I accepted it as a public trust to be held. So long as I am true to the ethics of police service, I will never engage in act of corruption and bribery, nor will I condone such act by the other police officers. I will cooperate